No problem. So let's finish with this section D. Actually, maybe we're going a little further. Let's see. A grinding that must be performed in unusual manner. A food that will lose some, but not all of its flavor, if ground prior to Yom Tov, may be ground on Yom Tov. So, like, the example would be our apple, right? One may use a grater or other grinding utensils. However, the grinding must be done in unusual manner, as described above. Okay, so the grinding is allowed, but in a usual manner. Okay, a common application of this halakha is the grating, the horseradish root, for a maror on a Pesach Seder. Although the horseradish is ground although horseradish that is ground prior to Yom Tov may lose some of the sharp taste, it will not lose all of its taste. Therefore, when grating the horseradish prior to the Seder, one will turn the grater upside down and grate the maror on the table. On the tabletops. I would say don't do it. So my personal advice, don't do it. So because this horseradish root, it's so strong, it's so sharp, it's unbelievable. So I did it. I am doing it in my house. So I always cry it like you cannot stop. It's so sharp, right? And even if it stays open, and that's what we do, because otherwise it's impossible to eat. So it can burn you inside. It's so sharp. So I'm not sure, but some people, I guess, like it when it's very sharp, and they would do it right before the Seder. So, but in our house, we don't do it. We do it like 2 hours, 3 hours before, because I'll let it stand, let's air out a little. It is sharp enough. Okay, so commentary. Note, it is forbidden to grate horseradish on the first day of Pesach for the second night, even with the shinu employed. Right, so you do it only on this day. Okay.